Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering Disney Plus error code 41, you're not alone. This error typically indicates an issue with your streaming session, causing a disruption while trying to play content. In this video, we'll walk you through several effective methods to fix this error and get you back to streaming your favorite Disney content. Check Disney Plus server status. The first step is to check if there's a server outage affecting Disney Plus. Sometimes, error code 41 can be caused by temporary server issues. Visit Disney Plus's official social media channels or websites like Down Detector to confirm if there are ongoing issues on their end. Restart the Disney Plus app. Close the Disney Plus app completely, then reopen it. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or connectivity problems that may be causing error code 41. Reboot your device. Restarting your device, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device can also help clear any background issues that may be causing the error. Power off your device, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Clear cache and data for mobile devices. If you're using the Disney Plus app on your mobile device, clearing the app's cache and data can often resolve persistent errors. Go to your device's settings, find apps or applications, locate Disney Plus, and clear both the cache and data. Then, log back in and check if the issue persists. Update the Disney Plus app. Make sure your Disney Plus app is up to date. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Disney Plus and install any available updates. Check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet connections can cause errors while streaming. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to make sure it's strong enough to stream content. You can also try restarting your router to improve connection speeds. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, Disney Plus may block your access, causing error code 41. Disable any VPN or proxy server you're using and try accessing Disney Plus again to see if the error goes away. Reinstall the Disney Plus app. If none of the above fixes work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Disney Plus app. This can help resolve any app-related issues or corrupt files that might be causing the error. Try a different device or browser. If the error continues to appear on one device, try switching to a different device or browser. For example, if you're experiencing the issue on your TV or mobile device, try logging in on a computer browser or another streaming device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Disney Plus error code 41 and get back to watching your favorite shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and troubleshooting tips.